I'm Dan.
And I'm Ann.
And together, we're the Restoration Bros. Hey guys.
Oh, you're back.
Yeah, we're back. So, today guys, we're checking out a house that's 39 grand.
Yeah. Now let's show you the house now.
Yeah. Hey guys, we're at the site. Go check out this house. Okay, so what do you think about this building?
I think it'll be, it'll be interesting. It's gonna be a hard one.
Oh, but 39 grand? You think it was too much?
No, I think the price was just right. I think we got a
that
steal.
too. I think that too.
Yeah.
All right, let's get on in with the house. All right, we had some technical difficulty, but we got it now. Is he on around? Is he on around?
Yeah.
No. He's not around.
Quick, break in.
Turn the cameras off. Turn the cameras off. Turn them off. Turn them off.
In the past, we've had a lot of trouble with some houses.
A lot of trouble.
They were just terrible and messy, and we didn't even want to do it.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Open that door.
Oh no.
Hi, I'm a dad. I love my SwiftJet. You can just use it to clean up the floor. It's the best thing that ever happened to me. Except divorcing my wife. You can just use it on the ceiling, in the ceiling scalp. It just showed up at my house one day. SwiftJet. And ever since, I've used it around the house for everything I need to do. It can also clean up dog hair. Oh no! Where'd my dog go? So if you need a SwiftJet or a wife, you have a lawyer.
It's got raccoon poop everywhere.
Everywhere.
There was cracked ornaments and everywhere.
Oh, terrible. Absolutely terrible.
But it's just insane how much poop you can fit into one little attic and sell for 39 grand. By that time, we knew it was time to start restoration. Let's meet back with Ann. Hey Ann, how's it going?
It's going great.
Yeah. So tell me what you're doing here to make the house a little bit better. Are you making like a bench or something?
No.
No.
I am just cutting a piece of wood that is inside the trash can.
Okay. Just how does that work?
You're gonna go like this.
Yeah.
You're gonna go like that, back and forth. I'm just doing it just to make myself look like I'm doing something, because I actually don't do something.
Yeah.
I'm making some walls actually.
Oh, okay. So is that like 3 by 8 or 10 by 9?
14 by 16.
Okay, and that's gonna fit right in with the wall, I feel like.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Really nice.
Alright. I'll leave you to your work.
Thank you.
Just keep going. That's awesome. Oh, you got some hungry boy! Oh, I think I got glass in my arm. Season's greetings. I told my dad I wanted to go to heaven, not this one.
Oh! Man, look at all this food. We'll be set for weeks.
How you doing in there, buddy? Our camera crew is literally helping out because there's so much. Oh my gosh.
Looks like Nick Jonas.
No.
Wheezy? Is that you?
This job is gonna take 13 years. Alright guys, at the end of the day, we sold the house for about 23 grand, which is a 3% profit of our last income.
Yes, even though we bought it for 39 and we lost money, but that's okay.
Yeah. Do you have any thoughts you want to say on the final product of the house?
You know, we did a great job. The buyers thought we did a great job.
Yeah.
But what do we think?
Well, I'm pretty sure we thought that it was a great touch. We love the open feel of the window that didn't open.
Yeah.
The light came in, revealing all the dust and everything. We gave it a nice new coat of paint.
Yeah.
And it just really gave it a nice, I don't know, modern look to the whole thing and the whole house as a whole.
Yeah. And we took out all the poop.
All the poop.
Yeah.
All of it was gone. It was all restored. It was all refurbished,
And rehabilitated.
rehabilitated, and rehabbed.